Okay, I think Emma's under my car because she recognizes my car and she's just waiting for me to come out of the building and feed her. See, take a look. Here's my car. That black lump under it near the front. That's Emma. Emma! Emma, 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 Bob, Emma! You see it moving? There you go. Hi, Emma. Were you waiting for me? Were you waiting for me? Are you meowing? You still can't meow. Got no meow. Food time. Where's not Emma? Where's your pal? Let's get food. Food, food, food. Hi, Emma. How are you? Oh, what a good cat. What a good cat you are. Good cats deserve food. So we got here in the kitchen. The cat kitchen. Alright. We got cod sole and shrimp. Spoon. Bowl. Alright. Here's how we do this. I'm gonna get the trash bag ready. There you go. Wow, that looks great. Kitty slap. Kitty slap slap. Make that slop nice and tender for the cat. Kitty loves slop. The kitty slap slop. Alright. That's good enough. Throw these in the little trash bag. And we can seal it off so the car doesn't stink. And now it's food time. Emma, are you excited to get food? Where are you going? Here it is. Let's go to the dining area. We gotta run to the dining area. Let's go. Let's go, kitty. There you are. Dining area. Alright. Here we go. Good for cat. Nom nom. Where's not Emma? If she doesn't show up, I won't get to feed her. Where is she? Not Emma! Not Emma, is that you? Yes. Not Emma can meow. Rah, rah, rah. Well, don't take Emma's food. Let me get you your own food. Hold on. Gotta run back to the cat kitchen. Get some food for Not Emma. Not Emma. Another bowl. Another spoon. Let's do tuna. Flake tuna. All right. Gotta feed Not Emma. Feed Not Emma. Oh yeah, tuna flaked. Yummy. More kitty slap. Kitty slap slap. Hey guys. Guys, what are you doing here? Supposed to be at the dining area. Hi, Not Emma. Hello, Emma. Emma, did you finish your food? Did Not Emma steal your food? Alright, Not Emma, let's go. Let's go. Come on. We gotta go to the dining area. Let's go. Come on, Not Emma. Not Emma. Oh, there's still some food here. But this is your own bowl. Come on, Not Emma. Here you go, baby. That's for you. Okay guys, I'll see y'all later. Gotta go. Bye, Emma. Bye, not Emma. You better finish your food. You don't want that stupid raccoon to get it. Bye. Bye, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, Emma. Bye, not Emma. Nom nom. Nom nom.